Can't wait to show you my favorite thing to cook on the griddle. This is a smash burger, but on a tortilla, just like this. Look at this. Lean meat goes on there. And I'm just going to, I feel like this is enough, right? We're going to go like that. And you just make sure that it's thin because you want it to be like a smash burger. It will literally takes minutes to cook. And it's so delicious and crispy. It feels like a taco, but it tastes like a real smash burger. And look at this. We are ready to go. And all I need to do, done. Keep it smashed down. I'll probably do a couple of turns just like that for a couple of minutes. And look at how big the area is. I can make some for the entire family or a whole griddle party. They're so good. So this one's ready to go and flip. Check this out. Look how beautiful that is. The other ones just got in, so cannot wait to see those as well. But check this out. We're gonna add some delicious cheese. We're gonna get it melting, just like that. It's getting all that, that melty flavor. And of course, once it's all done, just add all your favorite burger toppings, squish it together and enjoy. It is delicious and it's crispy. I mean, look at that. Oh, that's gonna be good.